Hi guys, I wanted to do the experiment so that you could see the reactions very clearly under the document cam. I have my baking soda, baking powder, I have water, I have white vinegar, ooh, and I even concocted a little purple solution. And it may look red on top, but you can see it's purple right there. So I used soap, water, and blue and red food coloring. Okay, so I'm going to use my pipettes, which are a fancy scientific method for gathering liquids. You can also, if you choose to do this at home, use a straw, cut down a straw. So I'm going to try to place it directly on each square. First one I'm going to do is water and baking soda. Now we know water is not an acid. And then we will try vinegar and baking soda. So I'm going to lightly I might actually put it over here so that I can grab and drop. See if that helps. Okay, so I'm going to use my pipette and see if I can get some of the... might just have to sprinkle. So baking soda in both boxes. And then let's add some liquid and see if we have a reaction. Okay, so the first liquid we're going to do is water. I have to always do my smell test. I'll do a couple drops. See if we have a reaction. Not seeing much of a reaction. Okay, let's do the vinegar. Ooh, that was satisfying, and it made some noise. Let's add some more. So we have a fizzing sound and then some bubbles that happened. Okay, now we're going to try the baking soda. We're going to try the purple liquid with the water and with the vinegar. So I'm going to take a little bit of my liquid. I'm going to drop it in here, and I'm going to drop it right here. And first I'm going to do the vinegar since that is on my pipette. Actually, that would be... Let's keep it with water first, Pep. So water first. I don't see much reaction. So now I'm going to gather some drops of my white vinegar. Also not seeing much of a reaction. So I did not use purple liquid that was cabbage or beans. Remember, I just made it with my food coloring, soap, and water. Okay, on to the baking powder. And if you guys remember today in class, the baking powder, we definitely had some reactions in my cup, and I ended up spilling it on my computer a few times. So let's see what we can get when we do baking soda and water and baking soda and vinegar. So maybe you're already making some predictions in your head. Do we think they'll both react? Do we think only one will react? Do we think one is going to react more than the other? So first thing I'm going to do is the water. Ooh, that's not the water. Ooh, vinegar is not a good smell for me. Okay, so here we go. Water and baking soda. Let's see what kind of reaction we have. So definitely a reaction, bubbles, fizzing noise. Now let's try the vinegar with the baking soda. You could see I had to move, the baking powder, sorry. I had to move my baking powder because I thought it might get taken over by this other mixture. So we definitely had fizzing here with the water where we did not have fizzing with the baking soda or the purple liquid. we had some fizzing bubbles here with the vinegar, not with the purple liquid, which was water and soap. Let's see how the vinegar reacts to the baking soda, the baking powder. Okay, so baking powder and vinegar. Definitely had some reactions here. I'm going to stop the video so I can clean up, and I will make another video going over my notes. Okay, so it's pretty much mirroring what we did. I just want to make sure I don't have any accidents. So until next time, here's our results.